Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your portfolio knowledge with DoorDash stock, complete guide step by step clearly. To increase your portfolio knowledge with DoorDash stock, begin by researching the company's fundamentals. Understand the business model of DoorDash, focusing on how it generates revenue. Study the growth metrics and performance indicators that define the company's success. Analyze recent quarterly earnings reports to gauge financial health and profitability. Familiarize yourself with key industry trends impacting DoorDash, such as changes in consumer behavior. Monitor competitor performance and market share to contextualize DoorDash's position. Read analysts' opinions and ratings to gain insights into market sentiment. Utilize financial news platforms to stay updated on developments affecting DoorDash stock. Engage with investment forums and communities to exchange ideas and strategies. Consider utilizing stock screening tools to analyze DoorDash against similar companies. Set a watch list to track the stock's performance over time. Evaluate historical price data to understand price volatility and trends. Establish your investment goals and risk tolerance before making decisions. Create a dummy portfolio to practice investing without risking real money. Use educational resources like webinars and articles to deepen your understanding of stock trading. After gathering sufficient knowledge, make informed decisions when purchasing DoorDash stock. Regularly review your holdings and adjust your strategy based on performance and new insights. Keep a personal journal to track your thoughts and learning experiences throughout this process. Stay patient and disciplined as you build your portfolio knowledge. Continue to enhance your skills by staying engaged with the market and seeking out new information. By consistently applying these steps, you will increase your portfolio knowledge and become a more informed investor in DoorDash stock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.